where you know what to come. No, I will say about the son, no one nunum, fine boy, no, they are caught in a radio station. Near my working in Nyan sending because the Nyansa will me two way. Last, maybe some question way. Now, I want you people who are critical thinkers to think with, like, just think with me. I'm an economic freedom fighter. I want my economy, or I want my country to do better economically. I want the hardship in my country to reduce. For hardship in my country to reduce, any right-thinking person would look at something we call jobs, because it's the jobs you do that would actually give you the money in order for you to take care of your bills and also let you prosper. Because I don't see, unless I'm robber, I don't see how you are going to be able to generate money to get that economic freedom that you are looking for. So take it this way. A simple analysis of Oliver Wemavoni Jimmy and Ujimina Ghana for Shen almost supporting on radio. Me economic freedom fighter. Time wana me presidential staffano. Oliver no, the also cool the time Ghana no. Time wana oye presidential staffano. Na Ghana ya membu no eshe Bruni ensa. Tieniye. Oye economic freedom fighter yo yate. Opese Ghana ye economically yo yate. Oman sube ye economically ya. Say ni muni pan benye adwuma ye. Na ometumi atua omokoda. Na omosomenye bi de easy omo hardship. It's what I mean, I determine say economically you are free. Now, what is freedom when you are being controlled or your budget is being run by a white man? I'm an economic freedom fighter. My country's economy was being run by a white man, i.e., IMF nebechre and namukwa Ghana for yenwe. Yetu in Kebia in ya panla nanki ebewe yesek panla boyedin. This is in yenwe refua. Okay. Yenya truck ya anasi yenya jeep wanki yebetwi. Yesin ya memoyedin. This is in a Ghana obwa untumi ntwi deep. Ubetwi a mess anasi ubetwi a akoda okoyin. Good. Minya yanka meto sweater 100 ediaba. Yes, and then answer uko free sweater 20. 20 no kura untu yanwe then na usan ko free 100. Yam pene ma won yes. This was what IMF was doing, supporting our budget this way, telling us what we can do from what we cannot do. I.e., I wanted to employ 200,000 teachers. IMF comes in and tells you, say, Mr. Mahama, I really like your idea of employing 200,000 teachers. You know, the only problem we have is, how are you going to pay for these 200,000 teachers? Bring us what you are going to do in order to pay for them. You don't have it. Since you don't have it, we can't allow you to bring in any more teachers until you are able to settle those ones that you are owing. It's called financial discipline. That is what they do. So what can you say? Abaya na IMF, Bruni, and a chere dia ye, dia ubedi, time wa obeda dia ubeshe. Na oka chere me say sa enumom enye bondage. That rather means economic freedom. But obi a wetumi ebe you were free sa to be animu. Obaye, yes, making sure say your macro indicators are pointing positive. Now we're for 1 year to 2 years. And they are pointing the macro indicators in the channel good. And what the IMF say, since you have been able to fulfill this condition, because last we were until recently, no. First, na okojis kana no omebedi. And a World Bank for who say we say your draws can more omubedi. And say no omun fa policy and as omun fa di omu person omu ye nembra. Na yemfa ho niam na maintain. No, so we can say, oh, kwa say ya. Na ya ma say, kona koye, na chire me say ubetumi aye. What start here, why you do baby no? Na IMF so draw sika kakra down ama say, J na fatu aso. That is how it is. And so we can't trust a Kufuado akwaji scare baby. And we be say, a Kufuado ne say your throat check. A Kufuado or your controller. Sabi, sometimes it is only John Dramani Mahama pencil and a president Yankasa to be signed check. Man, the second Mobuko Iska. It never happened before. That is why me end this for some betnasi. Now, almost kasaba corruption. Now, sometimes BB have sent Kamuwa. Now, Kawuni now, Okasa Yano Bonano so, open Pabuebi, or the Bonano say, Pokanu to Namuya Bay for. It is only in NDC, Mr. Mahama Penso, and on any year, a two major contract sign, Eko Yiska, Gandhi Sika, Eddie. And no man, some major nepotism down. Arikajian nepotism, Mantibida. Those times you will not hear all these boys on the radio and on TV talking trash, but yet we sat down for the president's wife to give contract. But this son say, Yasha de Trianchrophobia. Now, Bronsama Bubon Crophobi pass. At the papa be a best Sagana, Amagana, Akon, and him almost someone timbre Trentino. Yes, sorry, I near check camera near the ABC and him. Now, a tro propaganda, the nim near Beck near the Ada Gana, Bebuno Sabi, and free educational period and me, actually, ye quank a bit to me the next year. Now, Cobono. But media, they be a mecasa me bar. Ya the no crano, and a better baby as an Ukrainian thing. Edda. Now, Tia. Bayer, Mamma Fanny say, Bayer 4 days near. Enna, Mehunu say, Yen Yanoma from NDC for no. Omo ye party beer. Say a banner say, Omonko Candia, Omu bet me I actually Ghana for a yenibi. Now, remember example 2008. They never told Ghanaians what they were going to do for Ghanaians if they come to power. 2008 was when President Kufuor was done with his term. Esanka NDC for Beka Train, the Omobede, the Omobeye. Yakofa BB, I see a friend 110 premium 2012 by Yentumia. Feno Cotton Chain. 2008, this is how NDC won their election, just like they are doing. Oh, MPP, A49 Kromfo. Oma we are Bensika, Oma fa Bansay, Omu ye say. So what they did in 2008, the formula hasn't changed. Ghana for the Unya Kokase we are there, we are Kromfo, penny we are corrupt here. Yen in every 20 actually. Because Obia person didn't failure at to a bind to say, hey, I buy na. Yes, Sana Ghana system na koye. Obia or then the failure bedding Everton so. It is a yedinico school crown on where Jai yes, so bet you truck. At the say or no life wa the life now say no young fan shabine my young fan share or no individual now when taking responsibility for no one and all is because of the doctrines of NDC. They always makes you feel helpless to your own self. Say one kasa de won't me mo now ususu ye we die ubi bia esha bemu arehu sema woman say one more person mo de wo wure no ubi bia sha bemu no so mo abemu a Niamana, almost